Hello YouTube. So today I have something fun. We bought several, this is called Pioneering project models. They're all different types of models from the Scout Shop in Japan, the Scout Association of Japan. Now each of these are made out of wood dowels, and I open up one to review. As of today, 2026 June, each of them costs 1,760 yen, which is about 11 to 12 US dollars. So right here on this other side of the box, what do we have? What we have right here, this is a monkey bridge. It is a single A-frame monkey bridge. They have a tripod lashing. Here's another bridge right there, road bridge, and a beacon tower, another type of bridge, and a omikoshi, which is a Japanese, I guess, altar when they do their Shinto ceremonies. So very cool. I think we'll do the monkey bridge. We'll open up this one and see what's in it. Now, before I open it up, just want to show that it is made from the Joy Chain Company, and the Joy Chain Company on this other side. And you can see this Joy Chain Company is actually from Taiwan, and there's even a email address. I guess maybe if you want to buy in bulk, I'm not too sure. But let's open this up and see what's inside. So here we go. Inside the box has instructions. They have pre-cut dowels, and they tell you what type of lashing, I assume, to tie down these dowels. And they gave you the distance. They're in centimeters, and the rope. So pretty simple. Oh, right here they teach you all different knots. So you can see this one right here is clove hitch. And then they do a simple lashing, right? 2 clove hitch and a lashing in between. And okay, this is a diagonal lashing, I assume. This is a taut line hitch, right? And I think that's pretty much it. So those are the knots that they're going to use for this. Let's put this aside, and let's see what kind of string rope it includes. So, and here are all the dowels. So I've made 2 A-frames right here, and I just want to show the instructions. Now I'm on number 2. So I need to attach these 4 dowels together, and right here it shows what type of knot. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you look on top, right here, it says 1 to 4 use this knot, and it has the name down here. Of course, I can't read Japanese, but I can recognize the characters. And if I turn it around, I see the same characters right here. So it wants me to do a square lashing with a clove hitch on the bottom, and then end it with a clove hitch on either the top or bottom. I mean, either the top or side, sorry. So I finish all 4 corners. Now what's interesting is that in this instructions, it has the this rod at the end right here on top, which makes no sense because if you're pulling tension, you want this rod to be on the bottom. So I went online and I just looked it up, and yes, the actual default picture online does have the dowel on the bottom. So I'm going to follow that. So it looks like the instructions are, you just have to take it with a grain of salt. So now I'm going to attach the A-frame onto the base. Alright, so now we have the frame all built, and now I'm down to number 4, which right here says the rope I use is D, and D is the 120 centimeter rope, so it's this one right here. And right here says the knot being used is top line hitch. So it has that character right there. We'll turn it around. Same character, and that is a top line hitch. Alright, on this end, let's do a top line hitch. Okay. Next, with the same type of rope, I have to do a clove hitch on here. Another clove hitch. It's 4 clove hitch, and it goes down, and it does 2 loops down here. See, 3 and 9. 3 and 9 has a special loop. All it is just wrap around 2 times, and then I do another top line hitch again. Okay, I have all 3 ropes tied down using a top line hitch right there and 2 loops down here. Now I'm tying the rope for the guide rails, and all it is a clove hitch with an extra half hitch and a loop at the bottom. So here's the final completion with a lot of string left over, and it's pretty cute. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day.